Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve a parabola problem. As per the problem, find the equation, focus and directrix of the parabola. We are given the graph of the parabola. We have to use this graph to find the equation, focus and its directrix. Let's start by analyzing the given graph. Let's analyze the scale on the x and y axes. As per the given scale on the x and y axes, 1 square is equal to 1 unit. So we can label the numbers. As we can see in this graph, the vertex of this parabola is 2, -2. Now we can write the equation of this parabola in conic form. As you can see, this parabola opens in the upward direction. For a parabola that opens in the upward or downward direction, the general equation in conic form is x minus h square equals 4p times y minus k. As per this general equation, the vertex of the parabola is h, k. We found that the vertex of this parabola is 2, -2. Therefore, h is equal to 2 and k is equal to -2. We can sub in these values in the general equation. Y minus -2 is equivalent to y plus 2. Now we have to find the value of p. Since this parabola opens in the upward direction, the value of p should be positive or greater than 0. For a parabola that opens in the downward direction, p is less than 0 or negative. We can find the value of p by using an exact point that lies on this parabola other than the vertex. As per the given graph, the point origin or 0, 0 lies on the parabola. So we can use this point to find the value of p. In a point, the first number represents the x value, the second number is the y value. We can sub in these x and y values in the equation to find the value of p. Zero minus 2 is equal to -2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. -2 square is equal to 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Next, we should divide both sides by 8 to isolate p on the right side, and 4 over 8 can be reduced to 1 over 2. Therefore, the value of p is 1 over 2. We can use this value of p to write the equation of the parabola. So the equation is x minus 2 square equals 4 times 1 over 2 times y plus 2. We can multiply 4 and 1 over 2. The denominator of 4 is 1. We can multiply the top numbers and the bottom numbers in these two fractions. I get 4 over 2 times y plus 2. And we can reduce 4 over 2 to just 2. This is the equation of the parabola in conic form. Next, we can find the focus of this parabola. This parabola opens in the upward direction. The setup for focus of a parabola that opens in the upward or downward direction is h, k plus p. We can sub in the values. We can add negative 2 and 1 over 2 by finding a common denominator. The denominator of negative 2 is 1. The common denominator is 2. I get negative 4 over 2 plus 1 over 2, which is equal to negative 3 over 2. This is the focus of this parabola. Next, we can find its directrix. This parabola opens in the upward direction, so its directrix is a horizontal line, and directrix line lies below the vertex. The general equation of directrix of a parabola that opens in the upward direction is y equals k minus p. We can sub in the values. K is equal to negative 2 and p is 1 over 2. We can subtract these numbers by finding a common denominator, which is 2. So I get negative 4 over 2 minus 1 over 2. We can subtract these fractions. I get negative 5 over 2. This is the equation of the directrix of this parabola. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve this problem. I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.